Hi everyone, I'm Kelli Nold with the Nold Group, and today I am standing here in Lakewood National, a wildly popular community located in Lakewood Ranch, Florida. This community is so popular, and here's why. Not only is it gated and maintenance free, but in here you're going to find two award-winning Arnold Palmer designed golf courses, a 28,000 square foot grand clubhouse, a resort style pool complete with beach entry, and a tiki bar. It's got tennis courts, pickleball courts, and bocce ball courts, and a lifestyle coordinator. So every day that you're here feels like a day on vacation. Now let's talk about this amazing coach home behind me that's being sold turnkey furnished. This coach home is just over 2,100 square feet. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 3-car tandem garage. And just wait till we get inside and you take a look at those designer features. There is a luxurious feature wall where the television is located. There is a huge wet bar with lighting and a wine refrigerator. This also has a beautiful view of one of those 2 golf courses we mentioned. So let's go ahead inside and take a quick look. Let's go. Well, that's going to do it for today. If you like what you saw, be sure to give us a call at the phone number below, and we'll make sure we arrange your private showing. Thanks again, and have a great day.